Into the IGP, Tetteh Yohonu, only the Bank of Ghana governor, Johnson Esiama. Oba can send be afa yewura ho na in fact ensem no emu tu hwa. E wo se wotibie. Na face accident bi esi e wo circle interchange. Then so ba wontiremu. Aha Penyah block media. Meso ase ani dem. Oba like video no other ma subscribe button so ba click verification connected update na ba kire wa adwen de ma me e wo comment section so ba so. No share for Spain obi ahwe. Let's begin with the accident that happened on circle. Abusia e na no pay ye cabin shame and say join is for a day reportage be about to go him let's say accident happen e circle interchange no asia ho no no is a truck kese bia e heavily loaded. In fact I overturn a share siama done that how accident happen you know according to eyewitness no we any said the see accident no e baaye.
You are an eyewitness. You were here before the accident. Okay, what really did you see and what can you tell us?
What I just experienced that by 12 a.m. last night, so the truck it was fully loaded, it's overloaded. So from the back, it reversed on top of the bridge, coming back by itself without the consent of the driver. So on getting to this spot, the driver have to run out from the car. So the car now turned from top of the bridge down the road, but nobody died. So everything, so they have to offload the goods.
And that's your film. You said you were around?
Yeah, I was around because we work here. So it was we saw everything when the car was coming down by itself because it couldn't be able to climb the bridge because of the overload. So the truck now fell by itself down.
Apart from destroying the metals along the road, is there any other thing that?
No, nothing destroyed. Only the metals and the goods was carried.
How much na me buy? How much me buy? Na say, I be say car way if you overhead and swap it off. Na, o ma na mo wa ha. How much le mo? Le two load e wo. Also beans. Ene aka. Na, how much say car no for ya kutu fro. Na won timi. E na sandwich. E na be top for more. And the ever says, I might any be found. He says, I'll overhead we are my year. I don't call the only making kind. Who are a woman say, oh my yet, your may be added. Yet somebody see what actually say, Oba, who walk to your carcass for form. But the limiting kind into mobile and once a woman Musa, come up of Asababa. Take a Bible to my beer. I bet what I say, carcass here, or do her own to me in fact through her on form. That can't keep on one first road there. And keep it boy. For the AC. See, we are the baby banner, Kenya Papa. But yes, the Yamias said, the Bolivians are better from the yearly plan to be a fight. To get a salad, only be a first idea of my yes, I'll be a house and a bed.
We are also understanding that it actually fell on some sprinter. It's a casual sport or sprinter. You see that one?
No. Yeah.
I say 2026 we there. Na enraso na offense so, you know, offense so. Odi free Kumasi West the twa kwata chima ho no mo kurubi ho no mo. Your friend offense so that side on enraso that happen here. My news reporter appear Osei Martin my ntiremu on official website penyamedia.com. Ahono chiremu say enipa 10 ewi dodo na no FM price na yebo nyame mpa yese bibia ebe ye. Now you know 2026 we need the ehu how our affairs start to power with calamities no. Atrenche no yidi na start to afi mo ne de abusua. Eni enya yese enye fedi agoro. Now let's go to the main story. Abusua bakaya 6 January 2026 no. Mo ye Facebook any a thread any a Twitter no so de mam flyer we I ga kire mo say Otumfuo Asantehene ye kurowura obe make a historic visit to the National Police Headquarters. Enyo honko obe say to so akode the Bank of Ghana headquarters any other places so far as Oba Accra. Na okopie mu the first visit no na the National Police Headquarters. Eme ho no in fact na efe how na environment is here arrangement any bibia okoya no how omusi welcome no with a salute any parade any other na bibia ekoso 111 na nice.
Collaborate a lot with our traditional rulers in order to improve our mandate. Shall we, with all humility, be upstanding to welcome His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Asantehene II, the Asantehene, to the protest.
Get back, please.
kindly take your seat. As
Yeah, thank you. It's okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you. I will. Please.
Sorry. Wait.
Na ebusa Yohonu no ana the IGP Christian Tetteh Yohonu ede ensem tu dwa a o kiremu se Otumfuo is the king of Ghana. Isaac Osa ebo na baso.
We have come to the second part of this our meeting today with our special, most respected, honored King of Ghana, who has paid the first time a visit to Ghana Police Secretary for the first time. Your Royal Majesty, we have your respected generals who you worked with them years past. I was a small boy working under some of them that we used to visit you in Ashanti region. And then we got a lot of courage and advice from you during that period. We have our regional commanders all over this country here. Police regions, 25 police regions. All of them wanted to come and they have come. So I wish to inform you that we have made a lot of progress and a lot of successes throughout this period. The Christmas through the New Year. If I came to a time, I informed all my commanders that we have to work hard to make sure that Ghanaians in general, they'll be able to enjoy these Christmas and New Year activities without any hitch. And so we organize vigorous swoops all over the country. And most of the criminals, they are all behind bars now. And that has given the pace for every citizen in this country to have a peaceful Christmas and a New Year. With the support that I have from my Penyah members, we share ideas together, and then we try our best all the time to be able to keep the country very safe. Your Royal Majesty, we have given a lot of promotions to police officers who have distinguished themselves in the course of the career of duty. Some of them work extremely hard. They put their lives on line, and then in the course of the period, they have been able to distinguish themselves and nip a lot of criminal activities in the back. In your regions, Your Majesty, we have promoted a lot of officers there. Those who work very hard to clamp down on these bank robberies, we promoted them for good work that they did. And today, if most of the banks are smiling, it's because of the hard work of the men in your region that has made us to make a successful breakthrough in the bank robbery front. Just 3 days ago, the Police Management Board also promoted about 30 police officers coming from the main Ashanti and Ashanti South by police region.
What I say, oh, because we are an Otumfuo so, and the same way, a buy.
Therefore, we also would want the police also. Some of them also get involved in chieftaincy matters when it's not necessary.
Joe.
When it is not necessary at all.
Joe.
Because I cannot see how a chief could be gazetted and a police commander will issue instructions to say, don't allow him to go. You are supposed to give him the protection.
Joe. Joe.
Against whoever has not been validly nominated or and sued.
Joe.
And so if you take sides, it creates problems also for the whole institution and it creates problems for the police.
Joe.
So these are issues that I feel that whilst I'm here in front of the Police Management Board, the faces are familiar, some of them I haven't met, some of them I met, and yet I'm seeing everybody as my son and my daughter and everything, and daughter-in-law.
Sure.
Na answer ha osa to na problem so ekopie mu ewo Bank of Ghana omu headquarters hono committee Johnson Esiama as Dr. Johnson Esiama on ye Bank of Ghana governor Emma Esiama de eko rounds etre inside hono mo you know obano ko hwere ni so ko born no akon ho kakra churches and places ewo Bank of Ghana office hono mo ankasa eni ade na hono ana Bank of Ghana governor Johnson Esiama ono so de ensem way etuja.
Otumfuo, Ghana has long benefited from your brand of leadership. You're quiet, steady, and deeply anchored in wisdom. In moments of national tension, you have reminded us, Nana, that authority is not exercised through noise or fuss, but through balance, through restraint, and moral clarity. That instinct, Nana, for stability has made your voice relevant, not only in matters of chieftaincy and social cohesion, but also in the broader national conversation about development, discipline, and progress. Nana, I recall very clearly the last time the board and management, including myself and the other two governors of the Bank of Ghana, we paid homage to Your Majesty at Penyah. On that occasion, Nana, you asked us a question. that question was so simple and profound. Nana, you observed that the cedi was appreciating at the time against the US dollar. And Nana, you asked whether that appreciation was sustainable. Nana, it was a legitimate question for us, one that went beyond the exchange rate itself to the deeper issue of credibility. It was a question that many Ghanaians were asking quietly at the time in their homes, in their shops, and in their offices. And we heard it all. They asked us, is this improvement real? Will it last? Nana, I am pleased to say that since then, since our visit to you, the underlying foundations of the economy have strengthened in important ways. Permit me to say just a few. Inflation, which is the first one, it stood at 23.8% in December 2024. Inflation has fallen sharply since then. By October this year, it got to as low as 8%, and by November, it got to 6.3%. This morning, we woke up to the news that for December, that is the end of last year, inflation got down to 5.4%.
The level of expertise within these was second to none, and I can confidently declare my trust in the capacity of the able young brains I see today to help the bank fulfill its mandate.
Sure.
Of course, we have always been there to help them, to help bring temperature down when the heat threatens to overpower everyone.
Sure.
We have been on hand to help open doors, but at home, both at home and abroad. So we have come to our beautiful home to see and thank the brainpower managing our beloved city, to encourage you to continue in your dedicated service and to reassure you that whenever you feel the need for a shoulder to cry on, the doors are open.
Sure.
You are responsible for the national currency, and you are also responsible for fixing the interests that determine the rate at which we can borrow money.
Sure.
It is a fact of history that when the currency is healthy, the economy bristles with opportunities. The people are able to use the opportunities to create business. The business allows the people to create jobs and ultimately work in wealth. When the city wobbles, even the tsunami can be less destructive.
Sure.
Over the past year, after a difficult period, we have begun to breathe easy as the city stabilizes on the foreign exchange market.
Sure.
We recognize these are only the early stools of progress, and one will do well to be careful not to start feasting, as the governor said, before the true state of the harvest is known.
Sure.
Nonetheless, we think it is appropriate to acknowledge the discernible shift in direction and to encourage you to take any measure that will keep us on the right trajectory. So I'm here to encourage you.
Sure.
We have come not to preach to the experts, because you are the experts. We are just laymen living in Penyah, not knowing anything to do, but we have to fall on you.
Sure.
And I said to the governor and his two deputies that once I'm here with 2-3 people who have the money, this year I'll be rich.
Sure.
There's a we say according to the IGP, no, Otumfuo is the king of Ghana. Case closed. Chirewa Adwemame, comment section. Hi, Penyah Media.